साथ हैं द वेरी गॉर्जियस अमीशा पटेल और इनके फैंस बेकरार हैं इनसे बातें करने के लिए, तो मुझे बातें करना बंद कर देना चाहिए. एंड लेट्स पुट देम ऑन. हेलो.
Hello.
हाय देयर.
Hi.
Thanks for calling Ring a Star. What's your name?
My name is Vidushi.
And where are you calling from, Vidushi?
I'm calling from Surat.
And
Hi,
what's your question?
Vidushi.
Hi, Amisha. How are you?
I'm good. Do you have a question for me today?
The question is, Amisha, I would like to know, you're known for your brands and shopping and all of those stuff. And I love your bags, what you're carrying along. So would you like to open a brand showroom or something? Are you planning in the future?
Well, if I get the opportunity to, I'd love to. But I'd make it like a museum because every brand of mine, my bag would be like in a glass case so that no one could touch it and spoil it. You know, I like need to keep them clean and nice. But I don't know. Right now, they're all for my personal use. It's just something that I've enjoyed since the age of 10 and been collecting, you know, just because I love them. Only for that reason.
Okay, I would love if you open a showroom. I would definitely come over there.
Okay, I'll keep that suggestion in mind. It's interesting.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Thank you for
so
calling.
much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, bye.
I think आपके ये शोरूम के इनवाइट्स भी हमारे पास आने चाहिए.
हाँ,
Ring a Star will do everything for you.
I will put it on Zoom only. The launch of the showroom day, everything. You will screen the people that are like really bag lovers. Allow only them in the first set of people that come, and then later you can get the rest. You know, according to how enthusiastic they are.
People know that you're crazy about bags is because they're crazy about you. That's how it goes. And that's why we have this wonderful show where fans call in just to talk to beautiful people like you. So this connect is almost coming to an end and we have time for one more call. So let's see who this caller is. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your name? Where are you calling from?
I am Manat calling from Mumbai.
और आपका question क्या है?
Hi, Amisha.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm very well.
I just love you simply.
So sweet.
Sweetly said.
Very simply, sweetly said. This is such a cute compliment.
Thank you very much. But it has come straight from my heart.
It sounded like when you just said, I just love you simply. It was so sincere. It was so sweet.
I have a question. How do you maintain your body? You're so fit and you look so... I'm a female. I should not use such words, but you look so yummy.
Well, I love exercising. So whenever I'm not shooting, I go to the gym for about half an hour, 40 minutes every day. Also, I drink a lot of water. I eat healthy. I don't smoke. I've never smoked in my life. I've never done drugs. I've never needed anything artificial. I've never done anything artificial to my face or to my system. I never crash diet. If you think, you know, you want to be thin and you crash diet and all, you're going to look haggard, your hair will fall, your nails will get weak. Just go natural. Have very clean thoughts. I'm a very positive person. You know, life comes with ups, with downs. But the most important thing is that you must always remain positive. You must never become this bitter person and keep smiling all the time and you can fight through anything in life.
Then I can look like you, pinky, yummy, yummy.
Thank you.
Before you eat our gorgeous guest away, thank you for that call.
So sweet.
Thank you, Amisha. Thank you very much. It was
Okay,
lovely
good
talking
luck,
to you.
darling.
Thank you so much for being on the
My
show, Misha. It's
pleasure.
been such a lovely show. Like I said, कि बहुत strange था कि इतनी girls ने call किया है. But you can hear it in their voice, the excitement, the love for you. It's like you're the role model for them. It's very
Feel
sweet
so
to
good.
see.
And I feel so nice. They're all young, impressionable girls, you know, who I'm glad to say that they're my fans. I'm very proud of each and every fan of mine.
I think you've touched their lives in many ways today. एक और touch आपको छोड़ के जाना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल बताइए क्या?
Viewers, हमारे Ring a Star पे अमीशा momentarily आई. अभी आपके लिए momento छोड़ के जाएंगी. Is what I'm going to do is pass on these lovely photos autographed by Amisha, her own autographed photographs. And 3 lucky callers को मिलेंगी ये photos. So if you could just do the honors for us, please.
Sure.
Thank you. I'm sure lucky viewers will be very happy to have these.
I hope so.
You'll have to call me first for these.
And then I'll have to give her another bag.
Right, thank you so much. It's been a total pleasure having you on this show. And here's wishing you all the very best for your forthcoming projects. Looking forward to seeing them all. But really, truly, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you, it was my pleasure.
I think Hrithik Roshan looks good with Amisha Patel. They showed good chemistry in Kahana Pyar Hai.
Dino Moria.
I would say Sunil Shetty.
I think it's with Hrithik Roshan.
Upen Patel.
Saif Ali Khan. They had a good chemistry in that movie, Thoda Pyar Thoda Mahal.
With Amisha Patel as in Kahona Pyar Hai, Hrithik Roshan was just superb like. But I think so even Imran Khan also can be good with Amisha Patel.
Hrithik Roshan, because I have seen only her with Hrithik Roshan.
They look good pairing each other.
Amisha Patel, I think that should be Sunny Deol because they had a good on-screen pair with in Gaddar.
Hrithik Roshan.
I guess Hrithik Roshan.
I think Himesh Reshamya will be the best person for him.
I think it's Hrithik Roshan.
Tushar Kapoor.
इट मे बी के एसेसरीज उसकी हॉबी होगी
मे बी उसकी बैग्स हो सकती है क्योंकि वो पूरे दिन बैग पे लेकर घूमती है इसलिए शायद मे बी बैग हो सकती है.
मे बी शॉपिंग.
वो बहुत अच्छे कपड़े पहनती है. सो आई फील शॉपिंग इज हर हॉबी.
मुझे लगता है वो बहुत अच्छे शूज़ पहनती है, तो शूज़ कलेक्टिंग उसकी एक हॉबी हो सकती है.
आई थिंक सो ट्रैवलिंग हो सकती है.
उसे डांसिंग करना अच्छा लगता होगा.
आई गेस बाइंग कॉस्मेटिक्स.
Maybe shopping.